What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today is an exciting day because this is the retail version of the Xbox Series X. So this is what you will get when you pick yours up on November 10th, and this retails for $499, but there is a Series S which will retail for $200 less at $299, and I'll be doing a separate video on that. But first, let's just crack right into this one. The box detail is nice. 1 terabyte of storage comes standard in the higher end Series X. This console can output 4K 120 frames per second, which is insane. Here is a look at the side, and then here's the other side with all of the specs and features listed, and the back with Power Your Dreams. Looks really nice. There are some sticker tabs that you need to pull. Let's pull this one off of the side, and then there are 2 here at the bottom. We will get those off, and then boom, there it is. In all its glory, the Xbox Series X console all wrapped up. We will put that to the side for now. There is a getting started guide, labels all of the ports, shows you how to pop in your batteries on your controller. Let's get rid of the foam. There is a box up top, so let's see what comes in here. There are actually a lot of goodies in here, so let's go ahead and get them all out. First up is a product and regulatory guide, perfect bathroom reading for you on November 10th. Then you get the new and improved controller, which looks very similar to the Xbox One X controller. If you have been using that prior, you will notice that there is a refined grip. Texture is also different throughout, and the texture is also on the triggers. There are some slight differences here in the layout, like the share button, but it's very familiar. You also get the power cord, standard stuff, and you also get the HDMI 2.1 cord included, which is essential to fast frame rate gaming and increased resolution with a supported HDMI 2.1 TV. So let's get to the console itself. It's all wrapped up like a Christmas gift. It makes me want to take my time, but I can't. Pull a couple of corners here and there, and then it's finally free. That iconic ventilated design, I absolutely love it. At first I wasn't sure about it, but the more I see it, I do like it. The green that shines through doesn't light up, by the way, but it's a nice touch anyways on the design. Quick overview of the console itself. There is a power button on the upper left corner, the eject button, and the 4K Blu-ray drive slot is there. There's the pairing button and the front-facing USB port, which is nice. The side has the Xbox logo on the bottom right corner, and on the back we have plenty of ventilation and 2 USB 3.1 ports, an Ethernet port. There is where you plug in your power cable, HDMI 2.1 out, and there is your storage expansion slot, which you can increase your storage with super fast proprietary expansion modules like this 1 terabyte Seagate one. It's just too easy. The bottom of the console has a circular rubber portion and a nice touch with that Xbox Hello from Seattle note. So while I can't show you the gameplay and the interface because it's not final yet, I have been testing this for the last 3 weeks, and I can tell you, it's legit. There's plenty of power here with the custom Zen 2 chip, 8 cores at 3.8 GHz, 12 teraflop capable GPU, and 16 GB of GDDR6 RAM and a custom 1 TB SSD. The reason why that you would buy this console right now is because of the backwards compatibility. There are next gen games coming, but your current games right now are going to look much better with better textures and frame rates, and the load times. I don't even want to start with the load times. It is so much faster, and quick resume is also amazing. So I can't wait to show you all of this in my full review. So make sure you subscribe to that because you don't want to miss it. Before I go, here is a size comparison with the One X, and you can see when it's in vertical stand mode like this, you can see the height is about the same, but this one is thick. Some people might use it like this. I'm not sure why they would, but if you did, then here is the comparison of it laying down, and you can see that thickness. You can really see it, but I wouldn't suggest it. I would literally stand it up because I think this looks the best. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So there it is, the unboxing experience for the Xbox Series X. Let me know, did you upgrade from your One X, or which model did you get? Did you get the Series X or the Series S? Sound off in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more on these consoles, and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this. I will see you guys in the next one.